It's been 3 months since my original video about the Quip all black electric toothbrush, and I've gotten my first refill. So this video is going to be an unboxing of that product. So inside there's the AAA battery, which is branded Quip, the black brush head, which is very important because nobody wants a non-all black brush head to go with their all black electric toothbrush. It says to peel me, pop this off. Hopefully this is recyclable. And then it has what appears to be a rotating graphic with instructions inside on removing the brush head, removing the motor and the battery, replacing the battery, and replacing the brush head. It also suggests that your brush head is using less plastic, but the brush head itself is not recyclable. They suggest that the packaging is reusable and fully recyclable, and I'm looking forward to even less waste. On the back, there is some additional tips about oral health. So full disclosure, I'm not going to open the brush head because I only use the Quip once a day at work and only 5 days a week. So I'm going to leave this until the 6-month mark. As per the schedule, you should be getting one every 3 months. If you need to see how to replace the brush head, you can check my previous video. I don't really show replacing the brush head, but Quip has an excellent video doing that, and then you can also see the instructions which come with the replacement. And if in case you're wondering, yes, this bag still smells like Play-Doh, and thanks for watching. Since I figured somebody might be curious, this battery, you don't have to replace it. You can keep it around because it expires in about 8 years. I did decide to open the replacement brush head because I figured you should get your time's worth. So the sticker is very easy to peel off. The brush head is attached to the cap, and now I've just removed it from its sanitary enclosure. But yeah, I figured I owed it to anyone who watching this video to give them a good look at exactly what they're getting. It's pretty much what you would expect. And then just the inside of this guy. And then after peeling off the sticker, you also see yet another Quip logo. Okay, now really, this is the end of the video.